In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open all rooms in a breakout room setting, whether you're facilitating a meeting, managing a class, or coordinating a group activity. Knowing how to efficiently open multiple breakout rooms at once can save you a lot of time and hassle. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To get started, make sure you're logged into your account on the platform where you're hosting your event. Once you're fully set up and inside your main session, you'll want to look towards the controls at the bottom or top of your screen, depending on the platform layout. The first button you'll be looking for is labeled More. This button usually appears as an ellipsis or a simple label that expands your options when clicked. Think of this as a gateway to more advanced settings or features that aren't immediately visible. Once you've clicked on More, a drop-down or pop-up menu should appear. In this menu, you'll find a variety of settings and tools that can enhance your meeting experience. Navigate your way down this list until you spot the Settings option. Selecting Settings will shepherd you into a new window or sidebar, presenting a set of configurable options specific to your meeting. Within the Settings menu, search for the Breakout Room option. This option is integral to managing groups effectively since it allows you to create separate rooms or spaces for smaller group discussions. Clicking on Breakout Room will grant you access to all the features you need to manage these individual spaces. You will notice options for creating, managing, and distributing participants among various rooms. Now that you've accessed the Breakout Room section, look for the option that says Open All Rooms. This button does exactly what it promises. It simultaneously opens all the breakout rooms you've set up. This is particularly helpful if you're conducting a timed event or managing a larger group, as it ensures everyone can seamlessly transition into their designated rooms without additional hassle. Simply click this button, and all the breakout rooms you've prepared will become immediately available for participants to join. This straightforward process ensures that you can efficiently manage breakout rooms without needing to open each one individually, saving you valuable time. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you now know how to open all the rooms in your breakout session, enhancing your ability to manage participants effectively. I hope this walkthrough was informative and helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to familiarize yourself with this process during your next meeting or event. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring new ways to make your meetings more engaging and productive.